It's a great opportunity to meet people that are going to camp like yourself.
We fly hundreds of camp directors over to the UK. You'll be able to speak to them in person and you can get hired on the day, on the spot.
But really just find the place that you'll call home for the next summer. So you'll arrive at the venue for the fair. You'll be greeted by a number of Camp America staff.
Given your ticket for the day. With that, you'll be able to follow through into the main area, meet all the camp directors. Really useful to get a short list beforehand as well, so you know which camps are going to be there that you really want to speak to.
There's always help around if you want specific advice on where to go. If you've got a certain camp in mind, they'll be more than happy to direct you there.
I think everyone should go to a fair just to meet all of the camp directors.
Speaking to the directors is a great way to understand what sort of people they're looking for, what sort of roles, skill sets they're ideally looking to hire.
It provides the opportunity to explore different options.
And if you match that skill set or you match that personality they're looking for, you can get snapped up on the day.
Get a feel for the camps and also make sure that the placement you get is one that you're happy with.
I would say before you get to the fair itself, I would recommend going to the Camp America website, looking at all the different camps that will be turning up to the recruitment fair.
You can go and speak to as many camps as possible. I recommend speaking to all of them if you have the time.
Get maybe your top 5 that interest you. Try and pick up a variety is what I'd say. And then you've got lots of different people to talk to throughout the day. Make sure you bring your Camp America application with you, because this is really important for camps to read through whilst you interview. Yeah, I don't really know what else to say on that one.
So first of all, nothing to worry about if you don't get placed at a fair. We also hire online. We've got multiple fairs through the year. Chances are, we'll be able to get a placement sorted for you one way or another.
If you don't get placed at the camp that you wanted to go to, then honestly, don't worry. There's so many different camps there. There's bound to be one which is the best fit for you.
Make sure you speak to all of them before you go. Don't get disheartened if one turns you down, because there's loads of camps there as well that are all happy and wanting to speak to you.
When you're actually having your interview with the camp directors, they are very informal, so I wouldn't put too much stress on thinking that it's the interview of the century. Like, honestly, it's very relaxed.
So it is more like you're just having a chat, which actually really sets it comfortably. Always big yourself up a little bit, talk about your skills. If you have a skill, particularly in lifeguarding, in climbing, on the waterfront.
You really sell yourself, tell the camp director why you should be at that camp. Make sure you're doing it for all the right reasons.
Make the most of it. It's a fantastic event. Speak to everybody you can.
Again, have questions ready to ask these camps.
Like I say, we're there on hand if you have any questions.